that's right, we are back with another skate park review. This time it's official, approved, sanctioned by your man Brett from the Skateboarding Show. So where are we? We are at the Secret Mini Ramp project. There it is. Lovely undercover lights, fairy lights, and here is going to be a nice little skate cafe. At the moment, got a little bit of band rehearsal setup going on in there. Dead Anyway, you might have heard of them. Very good band. Over there's Mr. Tops giving us a little wave, and here we are. Ramp ahead. Let's go and have a look. What's in here? Oh yes. Welcome. Some of the locals ripping as usual. So here we have mini ramp, 3 foot, deep end 4 foot. Oh. Let's have a little look around here, a little wave, some of the locals. And just a little feature there, a little escalator, little metal coping on the edge. Can be a bit emotional if you get that wrong. Around the corner here. Skateboarding going on. Up on the bank, nice. Another little escalator. Plenty of seating, always important at our age, plenty of seating. Yeah, and down here we have a little extra little course. You can move that out. So you can put it in a different place, movable. Oh, more stuff going on. There's your bank. It's a little bit taller, another 6 inches or so than the deep end. Everything's got 7 foot transitions. Another little feature here, little metal edge to a wooden corner piece. Snip across. Our Will's doing his thing. Oh, that was just bailing site. So, got the music, sounds, yeah. There you have it. That is the Secret Mini Ramp. And yes, not much else to say. So the secret is skateboarding with your mates makes everything alright. If everything isn't alright, you're not doing enough skateboarding. So get out there, do some more skateboarding. Go on, turn this off.